Reverse psychology is more powerful than you think. Here are 10 shocking reverse psychology facts that actually work. Number 7 will surprise you. Fact 1: when you tell someone not to do something, their brain becomes more interested in doing it. This is called reactance. The brain hates losing freedom, so it does the opposite. Fact 2: kids respond to reverse psychology better than adults. When you say don't clean your room, many kids actually do it, because it feels like their choice. Fact 3: telling someone you won't like this movie makes them more curious to watch it. Curiosity beats logic. Fact 4: people value things more when they think they might lose them. This is why reverse psychology works in relationships. Pulling away often gets more attention than chasing. Fact 5: saying you probably won't understand this makes people try harder. The mind wants to prove itself. Fact 6: do whatever you want creates confusion. People often choose the option you want, just to regain clarity. This trick is used in marketing and negotiations. Fact 7: reverse psychology works best on confident people. They feel challenged when told don't do it. Challenge equals motivation. Fact 8: telling someone I don't think you can do this boosts performance. It sparks competitiveness. This is used by coaches and mentors worldwide. Fact 9: people say yes more often when they feel like they're saying no. Example: you probably don't want to join us, but you can. This makes the brain feel in control. Fact 10: reverse psychology works best when used subtly. If the person notices it, it fails instantly. Which reverse psychology fact shocked you the most? Tells us in comment. Subscribe to Fact Nova TV for more mind-blowing psychology secrets.